The national chairman of the All Progressives Congress, Senator Abdullahi Adamu, has raised concerns over the proposed use of the bimodal voter accreditation system for the 2023 general elections. The Deputy Director, Media and Publicity and Liaison Officer of the People's Democratic Party Presidential Campaign Management Committee in Anambra State, Mr. Uloka Chukwuwikem, has said that the shortest route for Igbo presidency is voting for the party's presidential candidate, Atiku Abubakar, in the 2023 general elections. The presidential candidate of the Labour Party, Peter Obi, has said that the Yoruba socio-political organization, Afenifere, is standing for the future of Nigeria. He said this at the party's presidential rally in Ibadan, the Oyo State capital. A chieftain of the PDP Delta State chapter, Professor Patrick Mogogare, has said that the Rivers State Governor, Nyesom Wike, isn't asking for too much by demanding the resignation of the national chairman of the party, Iyorchia Ayu. The presidential candidate of the African Action Congress (AAC) for the 2023 election, Omoyele Sowore, has dared his Labour Party counterpart Peter Obi to step out for a television debate with him. Sowore also challenged his counterparts in the APC and PDP, Bola Tinubu and Atiku Abubakar respectively, to a debate to discuss ideas on how to redeem the glory of the country. However, the AAC aspirant said he was convinced Obi as well as Atiku and Tinubu would not show up to a debate with him if they were invited. President Muhammadu Buhari has assured Nigerians that the newly redesigned Naira notes will be difficult to counterfeit. What do you think of the new Naira notes?